Hey, Kareful Ks, it's Kareful Keith back in this bitch. Hey, you guys, today we're doing a challenge. Hope you guys can hear me pretty good. I got challenged by Jaleel Odom to see if I can do 1 liter of a carbonated soda, so I chose Canada Dry. Now, as you can see, it's already been open, and the reason being is because hey, Kareful Ks, Kareful Keith back in this bitch. Hey, you guys, guess what I'm doing today? I am doing a challenge. I was challenged by Jaleel Odom to see if I can drink 1 liter of carbonated soda without burping. I have no idea how this is gonna go. It's not open, as you said, and it's a Canada Dry. I have no idea about where 1 liter is because this is 2 liters. So we'll say if it starts right here, I'm gonna say half should be about here, like what the dry side where it says Canada Dry. I'm assuming that'll be like half, right? Right here, that's like half, right? That's probably a little over half. Okay, so I'm gonna try to drink it to right there. I have no idea how this is gonna go, but wish me luck, you guys. So we're gonna get going. Jaleel, you challenged me. I accepted. Here we go. All right. Listen. ASMR. This is an ASMR. Okay, this ain't no ASMR. Let's get started. Wish me luck, y'all. Hopefully that's enough light in here. Should I turn the light on? Hold on. Let me turn on the studio light. Be right back. Oh, you got it. The camera was turned in the other direction. The front camera was on, so I had recorded a couple minutes, and then I got up to turn the studio lights on, and then I'm looking at myself. Damn. So I still have not drunk any out of here. I haven't. It's still up at the top, and what I had said was, I'm thinking if I drink it to like the dry right here, that will be 1 liter, hopefully, something like that. So, Jaleel Odom, I'm doing your challenge, bro. I accept it. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm doing it. So, like I said, I've already took the top off, and I already made like the little noise. It was kind of like an ASMR. Now I'm not. I don't fucking know. Hopefully I'm not up too high, cause y'all know my head'll be cut off in a fucking minute. Is this good? Hopefully I wasn't up too high in the beginning. If I was, guess what? Y'all just not gonna be seeing me. If I was up too high, you can now see me. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna try to drink 1 liter without burping. Jaleel Odom, no burping challenge. Here we go. Damn. You know what? I'm already. Ooh. I'm already thinking. Damn. I can't drink them as much as just as I thought I could at once. And I'm already feeling a burp, so. My stomach is full of ginger ale, y'all. We got a little bit more to go. Like I said, I'm thinking if I get to the dry part, how do you stop a burp? Somebody help me. How do you stop a burp? Oh, oh, a little one came out. Oh, mm. Does that mean I lost? Those don't count. Those don't count. Jaleel, bro, I don't know how you did this because my stomach, I don't think I'm successful at this. Like, do the little burps count? I don't know the rules if the little burps count. Because, you know, all hashtag all burps matter. So, ugh, I- let's go. Oh, I got to burp so bad. Yeah. If I go ahead and just burp, I mean, what's going to happen? You're right. I'm getting full, y'all. Full of ginger. This shit hurts. Oh, it like really like hurts like for real, for real. Whew, whew. Bro, I'm not gonna be able to finish this 2 liters. I'm gonna try to drink down to the dry part, and I'm gonna let some burps off. But it really hurts like for real. Mm. Uh oh. Mm. Well, see that the second one didn't count because it was a cough after. So that was I don't. Oh shit, my bad. Um, don't look like Keith did this. Did ooh, ooh, that shit sounded wet. Ooh, Jaleel, bro. I guess this is mission failed. Damn. I, Might as well keep going where I was gonna go and see what happens, right? Jaleel, I don't know how you did this, man, without burping. You're a G, man, because it's just so hard, and my stomach is cramping. It literally hurts. But I started the challenge, even though I have already failed. I'm still gonna drink to the jar part, which is what I said I was gonna do. You know, this reminds me of when I was eating. Oh, excuse me. Fuck it. We're just gonna burp at this point. We're just gonna burp and talk. This reminds me of when I was eating them chicken nuggets, when I was eating them corn nuggets, when I was eating that cereal. It gets to a point where I'm just like, this was not a good idea, and I don't want no more of this shit. Luckily, this was only like, I think it was maybe $1.50. So, ooh, Cassie. So, oh, I don't know. I'm not sure what that one was. So, mm, not sure what. Hold on, this is supposed to be the no burp challenge, bro. The burps are rock. Oh, the burps are rocking my body. Do you see? It's like, but we still got a little ways to go. So let's go. Mm. Okay, I made it to the dry part. So I'm done. Mission failed, but I did it. Hold on, does it count if you fail it? But as long as you did it, Jaleel, let me know how any of this works. I'm gonna go and take some X-Lax now. Maybe drink some milk of magnesia, uh, or some. I think it's citrus. My hold on, citrus nitrate, magnesia, some shit like that. You know, it comes in a glass bottle with the little gold screw top on it. Drink some. Now I don't have any of this shit, but that's the way I'm feeling right now. I need to get something. Oh, Beano gas. Maybe I should go to the store and get some of that. But Jaleel, I appreciate you for challenging me to do this. Let me know how I did. I know I didn't do it how you did it because you were G. You held in there, you did not burp, and then you finished it. Jaleel, I can't do that shit, bro. No. I'm not. My body, it ain't quite set up like yours. I can't do it. I can't. Like, I'm sitting here now. I might be smiling, but I'm in pain. I'm hurting on the inside. This is the way I look on the inside. Well, I mean, that's not really crying, is it? I don't know. But I appreciate all of you guys for watching this video. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday with another video. Hold on. I appreciate all you guys for watching this video. I'll see you next Wednesday with another video. Don't say that. Kareful Ks, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.